Hello guys, how are you? This is your own favorite channel, crocheting, and crocheting is one of the favorite idea for all of you girls. Crochet headbands is a trendy accessory you must definitely keep in your wardrobe. Before starting the video, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos. Okay, let's start the video. This is about crocheting headbands, trendy accessories you must definitely keep in your wardrobe. Undoubtedly, in the last few years, twisted headbands have been popular items to crochet and wear. They are very beautiful items I show you in the video. They are easy and quick projects everyone loves. Additionally, you can make them in your hour or so, and they are perfect at a last minute gift or a craft show. I will show you how to crochet a cute different colored knitted look headbands in today's video. Sometimes after a big projects we need a small and quick items that are less time consuming to finish. This is the time to give a short crocheting some headbands, and very beautiful, very colorful headbands, because I had those moments a few times before. I created a few new crochet headbands designs. The most popular one I show you in videos. It is very interesting task, and it's you will enjoy this. Initially, when I designed this type of crochet headband patterns, I used a yarn, but it was too slippery and the headband fell from the head even with a slow movement. This can be a problem, and you can consider it when choosing your yarn. You don't want to lose your headbands while walking around through. After trying a few other options with the bulky weight yarn and with the best yarn of work this headband is acrylic or woolen mixed yarn. The yarn I am using for headband is worst weighted yarn. I really like the stitch definition and softness of it, but you can use whatever yarn you have in your stock or you have at your home easily available. Remember that you need to adjust the pattern to your yarn and hook. Although working with bulky yarn is easier, the stitch is more texture